Tanushree. Okay, I'll start the class, sir.
Okay, sir.
Will we start the class now?
Yes, sir.
Today we're going to discuss relations. Okay, functions we have done right yesterday. Today I'll discuss the relations. Relations and arithmetic progression will be little we will discuss. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Relations. Who is there at the time of relations when I thought in this class? Who are not there? Tell me. Who are not there for the relations topic? Ipspa is not there. Sanjana is not there. Rajesh Naik is not there. Sai Charan is not there. Roshni is not there. Tanushree also not there. Kamal is not there. Saurabh is not there. Pooja also new student. Neeraj Jalla is new student. Okay. So many are not there means we will discuss the complete depth concept of this. What is the meaning of relation? How we are going to be define a relation? Before start the relation, let me explain about that Cartesian product. Before start about that relation, we have to know about the Cartesian product. Simple and easy concept it is. Yes. What's the meaning of Cartesian product? If I take A equals to 1, 2, 3, three numbers I will take. And B is one more set I will take. Let me take the numbers or alphabets, anything you can take. We will take that 3, 4, enough. Your wish it is. How many numbers you can take, you can take. I've taken 3 numbers here, 2 numbers here. What is the meaning of Cartesian product? Look at all of you. The Cartesian product between two sets we can denote it with A cross B. This is not X, okay? A cross B. This is A cross B. A cross B is called Cartesian product. Understand? This is A cross B we can call as a Cartesian product. So what is the meaning of A cross B? What we will do that in the A cross B means yes. Cross 3, 4. Now from the A, how many numbers are there inside A? Tell me anyone.
3, sir.
Yeah, B.
2,
Two,
sir.
sir.
Yes, now I'm finding the Cartesian product here now. I will take one element from the A, one element from the B. 1, 3. Next, 1 and 3
1,
is
4.
1, 4. 2, 3.
3, 2, 4.
Next,
3,
3, 4.
this is called a Cartesian product. A cross B means we will write these numbers like ordered pair. Ordered pair means these two are one pair, these two are one pair. Like pairs we have to divide and we have to write in the brackets. These are called Cartesian product. Okay, if you understand this, now you tell me if A equals to, we will take A, B, C. I want to find A cross with A only. What is the values we get?
A, comma A,
1 second, let me write.
A, B.
Okay. Tell me now.
A,
A,
comma
A,
A, comma
B,
Very
A,
good.
C,
A, comma, C.
B, comma A,
B, A, B,
B, comma B,
C,
B, comma
B,
C.
B,
Very good.
Then C comma A, C comma B.
C comma A, C comma B, C comma C.
That's all. Now the question is, yes, first example, I've given an example one. In this example one, set A has how many elements?
3, sir.
N of A is 3. Set B has how many elements?
2, sir.
2, sir.
Now we found A cross B. How many order pairs are there?
6, sir.
6 order pairs are there. So this way, when set A containing 3 elements, set B containing 2 elements, the number of order pairs of A cross B is nothing but N of A into N of B. This is meaning 3 into 2. Similarly, yes, you can see N of A is how much here now? 3
Three,
or
sir.
example.
Yes, sir.
Example 2, N of A is, so here also N of A equal 3 only. Now we can count the order pairs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many order pairs total? 9 order
Nine,
pairs.
sir.
are there.
Nine,
So that's why N of A cross A is nothing but 3 into 3. 9 elements. Understand all of you or not?
Understood, sir.
Now the question they will ask in Monday exam, set A, N of A has 7 elements, N of B has 4 elements. Then what is the number of elements in A cross B? Dash. How much?
7 into 4.
7 into 4. How
28,
much?
sir.
28.
28.
That's the answer. N of A cross B, how many order pairs? 7 into 4, you have to multiply. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So the first one. If you have a notes already, or you want me to give the notes also? If people have a notes, Epsiba, you have a notes.
Yes, sir, I'm having.
So this, if notes is, see, don't worry. You have a, if you don't have a notes also, doesn't matter. We will send in the group that notes. You can just take that copy of that notes. Now we can listen that how we are forming that relation and all. Okay. So now finally we have a one conclusion. This results are note. You can write in the notes. Better it is. This is you can write if set A as m elements, set B as n elements, then number of elements in A cross B is m into n. Okay, write this result along. Now we will discuss about the relation. So we just now done partition product. Partition product of A cross B means we got some numbers like 1 comma. What's the numbers we got the previous example? 1 3 1 4, right? Okay. 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4 3 3 3 4. Example only I've taken first example. So Epsiba, among all the 6 order pairs, you can choose any 2 order pairs your wish. Choose any 2 order pairs above.
Sir, 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 3.
Yes. If you choose 2 order pairs 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 3, now the question is, this R is subset of A cross B or not? This order pairs will be there.
Yes,
The
sir.
exception. That's the meaning. This is one relation.
Sir, didn't
Excuse me,
understand.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, between these pairs, we should not put comma and answer.
Commas no problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because this is first pair and second pair. Now I will write 1 comma 4, 3 comma 3, 2 comma 4. Is it now in this case also R2 is subset of A cross B or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is also a relation. Now one more example I'll give. One more example. Yes, it 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 1. It is subset of A cross B.
Yes, sir.
Check once.
No, sir. 1,
No.
1 is not.
Comma 1 is
1,
not there.
1 is not there. 1, 1 is not there in A cross B. Correct? So that's why it is not subset. If it's not subset, it's not a relation. It's
Sir,
not a- Understand all of you about the relation, not a relation?
Sir,
Say
no,
yes or
sir.
no?
Can you explain
Yes, sir.
again?
Others? Everyone?
Sir, can you explain again, sir?
Which one?
That result, sir. Result.
Result after that I have to explain this one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. A cross B, you understand?
Sir, yes, sir.
See, now from this order pairs, randomly I have chosen the 2 order pairs. Okay, I have taken 2 order pairs here now. What's the order pairs I have taken?
1,
1, 3,
1, 3, 2, 3.
2, 3. This 1, 3, 2, 3 are subset of A cross B or not?
Yes, sir.
That is the meaning, it is a relation.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now look at this one. Now look at this one. What's the order pairs I have taken here?
1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 1.
Now I'm asking, is a subset of this A cross B or not? Then it is not a subset or not? Why? Because 1, 1 is not there here, correct?
Yes, sir.
So if all the order pairs will be there in A cross B, then it's a relation. Otherwise, not a relation.
Okay, sir.
Understand now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understand.
Now you check this one. Is a relation or not? 1, 4, 3, 3, 2, 4. 1, 4 is there or not here?
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
3, 3 is there. 2,
Yes, sir.
4 also there. Everything is there. So
Yes,
that's
sir.
why it's a relation. Understand?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Fine. Anyone else? Okay. Now, yeah, see. Relation meaning what? If anyone is not writing the notes of relation before, better you can write. Relation means a subset of Cartesian product. Relation is subset of Cartesian product. Relation means a subset of Cartesian product. Now, here also result you have to write. Everyone must write these results one more time if it's possible. If set A has M elements, definitely Monday exam they'll ask this models N elements. Then number of relations from A to B is 2 power m into 2 power n. Second result. If n of A equals to m, then number of relations from A to A. Anyone in the class can you tell me A to A is how much? 2 power
M
into,
M,
into
sir.
M.
because A to B means m into n. Here only one set is there. That's why 2 power m square. This is the answer. 2 power m square. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, result number 3. Or is any relation like I'm giving example x comma 1 z comma 3 t comma 1 q comma 2. If I give like this, these relations, how many order pairs are there here? Count that now, all of you. Just count the number of order pairs.
5, sir.
5 order pairs. In all the 5 order pairs, what's the first number? First numbers are what?
One.
First numbers. First
X,
values.
Y, X, Y, Z,
X, Y, Z,
T,
T,
X,
U
Y,
or not?
Z, T, U.
Yes. All the first numbers. These first numbers X, Y, Z, T, U is right. Now write it here. All the first numbers in the order pairs. In the order pairs. Write it down. In the ordered pair. In the order pair. All the first elements are called domain. What we can call as domain. Capital only can write. Domain. The domain of this one is here. What is the numbers? X.
T and U, sir.
Okay. Now, all the second elements we can call as range. What's the range here? 1. Tell me all the second numbers 1 to.
1,
One
2,
and
3.
1,
1, 2.
Don't write the repeated numbers. Just write 1, 2, 3 only. If 1, 2 is repeated, don't write 1, 2 again. Even in the year also. For suppose last one instead of U, if they'll give X again, don't write X again. Understand? You will write only one time. Finish or not?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
That one here. In the next continuous here only. Range is always subset of codomain. Range is subset of codomain. Range is always subset of codomain. Range is always subset of codomain. Range is subset of codomain. Finish writing this page. Shall I go to the next page?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, yes. I'll give an example. You can find the domain and range for this. Okay. Right. 1, 1, 1, 2. 2, 4. 2, 4. 4, 4. 6, 6. 3, 3. 3, 6. I give you this one. Find the domain. And what's the range also? Find the domain here. Tell me anyone domain.
1, 2, 3,
1,
4, 6.
1,
3, sir.
3.
6,
4, 6.
Very good. 4 and 6 also is there. All the first elements you have to see that. Check the first elements. Same element is repeated, you don't write. Now tell me the range.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
1, 1, 2, 4, 6.
So domain and range both will be same or not here? In this case, it will be same. Some other problems it cannot be same. Anyone has a doubt now?
No, sir.
No. Now you open your NCERT textbook now, all of you. Open your NCERT textbook. They'll give relations chapter. You open the relations chapter. Look at the first question. What's the first question they given? Hello?
Sir, exercise 2.1 or example 1, sir?
Exercise 2.1.
Okay.
Exercise 2.1. Look at the simple questions it is. Exercise 2.1. Let me open exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Relation. Only we have 2.1 exercise only. We don't have 2.2 and 2.3 also.
So we have 2.2.
2.2 also you have in syllabus.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 2.1, 2.2, 2 questions, 2 exercises. See, exercise 2.1. What's the first question they're asking us to find?
Find x and y.
Value of it.
This is a one order pair or not?
Yes, sir.
Find x and y. What's the first number and what's the first number? Both the first numbers have to equate here now. Both the second numbers have to equate now. Send this plus one other side. How much you'll get? Correct?
2, sir. 2 by 3.
Very good. 3 and 3 cancel or not?
Yes, sir.
What about y?
One, sir. Y.
Very good. Y equals to 1. They're asked us to find x comma y values. X equal to 2, y equal to 1. X equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Okay, we don't you understand or not? Others also. Anyone have a doubt? You can ask me. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Sir.
Others also can check. Step by step is a very simple. We are no need to find any difficulty on this. Check my signal strength, white color or yellow color. What is my signal strength?
White, sir.
White color, yeah, okay. What is this question, all of you? Try the second question now. Try the second question now, all of you. What is the answer?
9, sir.
Very good. 9 or not?
Yes, sir.
Just now I gave the formula or not?
Yes, sir.
Set A has how many elements?
3.
3, sir.
Set B?
3.
So the ask us to find A cross B. Now third question. Question number 3. Question number 3 you can see. G equal to what we got?
7, 8.
7, 8, sir.
H equals to
5,
5,
4, 2.
2.
they're asking G cross H. Tell me, cross product.
7, 5,
Very good.
7, 4,
Very good.
7, 2,
Next,
8, 5,
8, 5, 8, 4, and 8, 2.
8, 4, 8, 2.
next H cross Z.
5, 7, 5, 7,
5, 7,
5, 8,
5, 8,
4, 7,
4, 7,
4, 8, 2, 8, 2,
7.
7, 2, 8.
Remember that G cross H number be equals to H cross Z. Why? Because the both have the same number of elements. So the both have a different number of elements, different elements. What's the first order? 7, 5 and 5, 7 both are equal.
No, sir.
Not equal. Understand? That's why the both are different values. Next question will go. Check anyone, the new students from 1 to 5. If any question if you want, I'll, 2 questions, third question also I don't write. From 4th to 8th, any question if you want, I'll discuss now. Look at the 4th to 8th questions. Look at question number 4 to question number 8. Anyone?
State whether each of the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly.
Yes. There is a meaning. There are, for suppose first question is the 4th question. First one. M comma N. What will be P cross Q generally? Normally P cross Q is what? You tell me, anyone?
M,
M
comma
comma
N.
N. M comma M.
Sir, it is false, no, sir.
Yes, it's a they are given false. This is correct. They said if it's a false, rewrite the again this one. So we wrote that. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the third one is important again. Third one. Equal to what is it given?
Sir, 1, 2, sir.
B equals to
3,
4.
A cross B intersection 5. There are also to find A cross B intersection 5, correct?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes. Generally, B intersection 5 means 3, 4 intersection null set. What's the common elements here?
Null set, sir.
Nothing,
Null set
sir.
only.
Only null
There's
set.
no common element, correct?
Yes, sir.
So that's why now if they'll ask us to find A cross B intersection 5, this will be A cross 5. 5 means inside the set how many elements are the 0 elements, right? So 0
Yes.
elements into A set will be always.
0.
So that's why they're given it is true or not.
It is 2, sir.
True, sir.
Whatever. Not an all of you. Next question number 5 again. Minus 1, 1. They'll ask you to find that A cross A. If they'll ask in Monday's exam, one more year also they can ask there we should. So whenever they'll ask by this way, A cross A, they're asking us to find, right? First we have to find here now. First find anyone you can take this A cross A or this A cross A. First you can find A cross A. What is the value of A cross A?
1 minus 1 and 1.
Yeah. There will be minus 1, minus 1,
minus 1 1 1
minus
minus 1
1.
1 1.
This is A cross A. Understand? With this we have to find here now again. There's a meaning. We'll add minus 1, 1 again cross product with this. Okay. I will explain. You look at it now. First, I will start with this. First minus 1. I'll with all the outer pair I will do. Yes, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Next, minus 1 with the second order pair. Minus 1 with the third order pair. Minus 1 with the last order pair. Next. Now what is the minus 1 with all the order pairs over or not?
Yes, sir.
Now 1 with the all the order pairs. Tell me. Minus 1.
Minus 1.
1. Next.
Minus 1, 1 and 1, sir.
Once again, I wrote wrong. First, we write plus 1, minus 1. Order is very important. From this side, we'll go right. 1, minus 1, minus 1. Next, 1.
1 minus 1 and 1, sir.
Next,
1, 1 and minus 1.
very good. Last one,
Triple 1, sir.
triple 1. That's the answer. Understand? See,
Yes, sir.
this is if 1, 1 is there, we can call this is ordered pair. If 1, 1 is there, what we can call as? Anyone? This is we can call as triplet. What we can call as? Triplet.
Triplets.
Triplet means 3 numbers will be there inside the bracket. Okay. Note on all of you. Finish number.
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what is distinct elements, sir?
Distinct elements means, for suppose, yes. A equals to so the numbers are different numbers are not.
Yes, sir.
These numbers we can call as distinct numbers. For suppose, if you mention this way, 1 is repeated how many times?
2 times.
So it's not distinct. Understand?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Distinct means it must have no relation between one number to other number. Like for suppose,
Okay, sir.
I will give one more example here. See, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. Now, A set and B set have two different numbers or not?
Yes, sir.
Because all positive numbers are negative numbers. Now, for suppose, now look at here now. What is A set and B set has two different numbers or same number is there?
1 plus 3, sir.
Plus
Same.
3 is the same number is there or not? So that time these two are not different, not distinct. Understand?
Okay, sir. Understood. Thank you, sir.
Fine. Yeah. Next. Which question you want next? Tell me. I'll explain.
9th one, sir.
Ninth one. Others also can check. Chandan,
Yes, sir.
check which question all you want. I will explain that.
8th
Okay.
one. Sir.
Which one?
8th one.
Eighth one also you want me to explain? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Others also, please, like Chandan now is asking me. Others also look at that. Which is the question if you want, I'll explain that.
Sir, 7th one, sir.
Huh?
7th one.
Seventh one.
Yes, sir.
Seventh one is simple, right? They're asking us to. They're given seventh one. They're given how many sets? They given total.
4 sets, sir.
4 sets they given.
Yes, sir.
After giving the 4 sets, you know how to find B intersection C there. What's the common element between B intersection C? Tell me.
Nothing is common, sir.
That's why what is the value will get 5 or not?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the value of they're asking us A cross 5. What's the value of A cross 5?
5 only. Sir.
5.
5 only.
No, just now we have done or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, can you able to do now?
Sir.
Eighth one we'll discuss. Eighth one. They're given A equal to what's given?
1 and 2. Sir.
B equals to
3, 4.
now they're asking A cross B. Find A cross B. Find A cross B. 1, 3.
1, 3, 1,
1,
4.
4.
2, 3 and 2.
3, 2, 4.
We got A cross. how many subsets of A cross B will have? So they're asked us to find total number of subsets. How to find total number of subsets? Anyone in the class? Total number of subsets. What is the formula? 2 power
M square, sir.
2 power n.
2 power n. Total number of subsets is
Yes, sir.
this formula. Total number of subsets 2 power n. Correct? Understand? So
Yes, sir.
how many order pairs are there here?
4, sir.
4, sir.
4, sir. 16.
Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There are specified total number of subsets. 2 power n. 2 power n means how much? 16. Now we'll go to the ninth one. Someone asked the ninth one, right? Shall I explain ninth one now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A and B are two sets. N of A the given 2, 3, sorry. N of B the given how much?
N of B is 2, sir. N of A is 3, sir.
N of A is, now the question is given, if x comma 1, y comma 2, z comma 1 are in A cross B. These numbers are in A cross B, and in A cross B, these numbers are there. This order pair, sorry. These order pairs are there. Find A and B. Find A and B.
Sir,
Find
A is
A.
X, Y, Z and B is 1, comma 2, sir.
Very good. A is x, y, z. B is
1.
1. That's all answer, right? A cross B is value or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Indirectly, they ask us, this is called domain. This is called range. Domain and range. Domain and range. Next. Shall we go to the 10th question? Say sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Question number 10 we will solve. Tenth question. The Cartesian product A cross A has how many elements?
9.
9 elements, sir.
A cross A has 9 elements. Among this A cross A, 9 elements are there. Among these, the given minus 1 comma
Minus 1,
0
comma 0 and 0, comma 1.
and 0 comma. Find the set A and the remaining elements of A cross A. They are asked us to find remaining elements of A cross A. Definitely, this is A cross A means the first numbers is from A set or not? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What's the numbers from the first set?
Minus 1 and
Minus
0.
1, 0.
But the second set is also from A or not?
Yes, sir. Then 1 also is it.
One only will do. So that's why A has how many elements here total? 3.
3, sir.
Then A cross A is how many elements?
3 into 3, 9.
Correct or not? 9. They're given 9. Now they're asking us to find the remaining elements of A cross A. We have to find. They're asking us to find remaining elements of A cross A. So minus 1, 0, 1. Now find the remaining elements. Minus 1, comma, minus 1. Minus 1, comma, 0, not right. Don't write. Okay, minus 1, comma, 1. 0, comma,
Minus
minus 1. 0, comma, 0. 0, comma, 1 already they given. 1, comma, minus 1.
1 comma
1,
0.
comma, 0. 1, comma, 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 2. Total 9.
Yes, sir. 7.
Yes. Understand all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Can we solve now exercise 2.2? The
Yes,
2.2
sir.
exercise completely domains and ranges. Not done all of you. Still now what we discussed, if you have any doubts, you can ask me now.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, will relations always be in pairs, sir?
What is it?
Will always relations be in pairs, sir?
Relations will be
In pair?
in pair. You're asking in pair, correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Relations means we can have a order pair compulsory. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The relation we are defining means we have to define that order pair compulsory. That's why relation will be in the order pairs. Pairs it is. Okay. Not like single numbers.
Thank you, sir.
Now look at exercise 2.2 now. Exercise 2.2. Look at exercise 2.2. What's the first question they're given? That's the domain and codomain and range. Okay, let me explain this one question. How to find domain, codomain, and range. Domain, codomain, and range. I will only explain. After that, you can copy so that the next questions all you can able to do based on this. Is it from where to where they given?
1 to
From
14.
1 to 14, sir.
1, 2, 3 up to so on 14. No, they said a relation. How the order pair will be exist x comma y such that three x minus y equal to 0. Okay. Now we are saying x comma y. Look at all of you. What's the first number x? 1 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we are if x is 1, what's the value of y? We have to find here now. If x is 1, what's the value of y?
3, sir.
Yeah. X is 1, y equal to 3 or not? Because we have to substitute in this place. Understand all of you?
No, sir. Can you explain
I'll
again?
explain again. If x is 1, then what is the value of y? Once again, my board I will write again. We're going to be find the relation numbers. See, in the A set, the first number is 1 or not? That's why I'm taking here now.
Yes, sir.
If x is 1, substitute x is 1 in this place.
3, sir.
3x minus y equal to 0. So y equal to how much will get?
3, sir.
So one order pair will be 1 comma 3. Everyone, do you understand this point or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, if x is 2,
6, sir.
Y equal to 6 or not?
Yes,
Because
sir.
3 2 is 6. So x is 2, y is 6. If x is 3,
9, sir.
everyone has to give the answer. Y equals how much? 9.
9.
Next, x is 4.
12.
12.
Very good. Only few members are giving answers. Everyone has to say. X equal to 5.
15, sir.
15, sir.
But we can't take this. Tell me why.
It is not there.
Only
in
1 to
the-
14,
does
sir.
not have 15.
That
Till
maximum number
14
is
only
what?
it is, sir.
Is the maximum number is what in the set?
Sir, 12.
14.
14.
14.
The maximum number
14, sir.
is 14. So we can't take more than this. So the relation which is satisfy this, what are the relations, what are the numbers we have? 1, 3.
2, 3, 9, and 4, 3.
Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is a very important to listen this all. First I am finding the domain. Tell me what's the domain here?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Range.
3, 6,
3,
9,
6,
12.
9.
6, 9, 12.
3, 6, 9.
Everyone, these two are clear. If they'll ask us to find codomain, what's the meaning of codomain? They're given in the set. What's the set they're given here now? A equal to what's the set they're given?
1 to 14.
2, 3 to
1, 2,
14.
3 to 14.
See, among this 1 to 14, we have taken only some numbers. Which numbers we have taken? 3, 6, 9,
9,
and 12, right? 3, 6, 9, 12. But whatever the remaining numbers are there, right? Remaining numbers also there are not here now. 1
Yes,
to
sir.
14 are not. So that's why the codomain means all the numbers which are there in the A set, we can call it is a codomain. I'll repeat again. Range means what are the numbers we got in the questions, right? In the question, whatever we got, that's a range. But codomain means the remaining numbers, whatever the remaining numbers also there, including these numbers, everything will coming under the codomain. Understand on this point?
Yes, sir.
Others, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If anybody wants me to explain, I'll explain. Otherwise, one more question we will do. No, there also I'll explain. Look at one more time. Pooja, understand Pooja? Pooja? You understand? Pooja. Shall we go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at the second question. The given define relation on set of all natural numbers. Relation on natural numbers. Natural numbers means from where to where?
1 to infinity.
1 to infinity.
Very good. How to define the relation here now? R equals to? Tell me x comma y.
X,
Comma,
y.
Such that y is equals to x plus 5.
Yes.
And x is a
Natural
Natural
number.
number less than 4.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Wait, my power gone, just now power came. Who is a host now? Someone else host, right? Yes. Tanushree, you have to give it to me
Yes,
co-host. Give me host only, not co-host. Give me co-host only. Tanushree, you know how to give the host?
sir, I don't know.
You do one thing, click on, see, you can able to see, wait 1 second. I will raise my hand.
Okay.
Okay, you click on my name, you will get more option is there, not more.
Yes, sir.
On the more option, you can make, you will get that host, co-host, something is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Make me host. Host, you can make me,
Yeah.
not co-host. Make me host only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Because next time continue the class is that that's why. No. Yes, y equal to x plus 5 they're given. Y equals to x plus 5. Natural number less than, what is it given? X is a natural number less than 4 or
Four,
not?
sir.
Four, sir.
Means x we can't take more than 4. Yes. Now let's find domain and range. Chalo. Solution. So same like previous question. They're given x comma y such that y equal to x plus 5 they're given. Now my question is, if x equals to 1, then what is the value of y equals to?
6, sir.
Correct or not? Others understand or not?
Yes, sir.
X equals to 2 means
Y is equal to
7,
7.
sir.
7. 2 comma 7. X is 3.
8.
8.
Very good. 3 comma 8. X we can't take 4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can I
sir.
take 4? No, we can't
No,
take.
sir.
Why? Because the given x is less than 4. Now tell me the right relations are the numbers here. Now what will get? 1 comma 6,
2 comma 7 and
2
3
comma
comma
7. Now they're asking us find domain. Tell me domain.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
1, 2, 3.
What's the codomain? So range.
6, 7,
7,
8.
8.
6,
Very
7.
good. What's the codomain?
Natural numbers.
Actual numbers.
1,
Very
2,
good.
3.
All the
Infinite.
natural numbers. Codomain means all the natural numbers. Natural numbers. Codomain means whatever the set they'll give, the set you have write codomain every time. Okay, now we can copy. Simple and easy chapter.
Sir,
Yes,
but they didn't ask codomain, no, sir.
they didn't ask. If you write what else happen, nothing will happen, right?
Okay, sir.
We came to know which is the codomain. You're all staying nearby college only, you people?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Sir, you which branch, sir?
CV Ramanar branch only.
Sir, you'll be in
Okay,
school.
sir.
Sorry, college.
College. Finished, huh?
Yes, sir.
Next
Yes, sir.
question. Look at third question now. Third question. Condition you can see. Third question, you'll get understand very clear. Third question. What's the condition? Read the question first properly, you'll get understand. A equals to what's the relation the given condition? Relation, what's the condition the given? X
If
comma y.
X,
Tell me. And the
The
difference
X
between
belongs to A, X,
and
Y
Y.
belong to B.
no difference between x and y. Difference between x
Is
and y
odd.
means x minus y or not?
Yes,
X
sir.
minus y is odd number.
Odd number.
Then very clearly given x you have to take from the A, y you have to take from the
B.
B set. Then they ask us to find x belongs to A, what is the odd number? What are the order pairs? Yes. Tell me. What
1, comma 4.
number I can take here now? What number I can take here now?
1, comma 4.
1, comma
Yes.
4.
1, comma 4. If we take 1 minus 4 is odd number or not?
3.
Yes,
One
sir.
1 minus 4. Minus 3 or plus it doesn't matter. Odd number. Next 1, comma 6.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next 1, comma 9 we can't take.
No,
Correct?
sir.
Yes, sir. Even
Yes,
And
number.
sir.
we'll take one odd number, one even number is possible. Two even numbers also not possible, right? That's why 2, comma 4
Yes,
is
sir.
not possible. 2, comma 6 also
2,
not
comma
possible.
9.
Only 2, comma 9 is possible. 3, comma 4 is possible, right?
Yes, sir.
What about 3, comma 6?
Possible, sir.
Yes, sir.
3, comma 9 is not possible.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes. 5,
5, comma 4.
5,
5, comma
5, comma 6.
and 5, comma 9 is not possible. Two odd numbers also not possible. So this is only the relation. This all the numbers subtraction if you do, you'll get odd number. Okay. Now tell me what's the domain? Anyone?
1,
1, 2, 3,
1,
5.
2, 3, 5.
4 is not there? Yes.
No, sir.
Next, what's the range?
4, 6,
4,
6,
6,
9.
9.
4, 6, 9. What's the codomain for this question?
sir. 1 to 9, sir.
No. Codomain
Odd
means,
number,
yes,
sir.
see, codomain means what? They're asking relation from A to B, right? This B set is always codomain. Second set is codomain. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Always, yes, see, they'll say the relation on the previous question, the relation on only one set. See, second question only one set. Even first question also they're given only one set. 1 to 14 they're given, right?
Yes, sir.
To get that's the meaning. These are relation on A to again A set only. Here also the relation between N to N set. But in this third question, relation from A to B. What's the B set is there? That is only the codomain. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, they have asked to write it in roster form, sir.
We wrote already. This is only roster form. This is a roster form or not?
Yes, sir.
The given one is set builder form. X minus y is odd. Now 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at the questions 5, 6, 7, 8. Shall I?
Sir,
Finish
fourth
or
one.
not? Which one?
Fourth one.
Fourth one, they given two circles, right? Venn diagram. What's the numbers are given? 5.
5, 6, 7, and 3, 4, 5.
All these first circle numbers we can call as domain. What's the domain?
5,
5,
6,
6.
7,
Second one we can call as range.
3, 4, 5.
See, for suppose, look at all of you. In this question, they're not given. For suppose here 2 is there. For suppose somewhere else here 2, if you can write 2, then the codomain is what?
2, 3, 4,
3,
5.
4, 5.
2, 3, 4, 5. All the numbers you should write. Understand? But your codomain
sir.
also, your codomain is also 3, 4, 5 only.
Yes, sir.
Understand? Codomain
Yes,
means
sir.
always you have to see the second set. Not all of you. No, question number 5. Let me question. A code, what is it given?
1, 2,
2, 3,
3,
4.
4, 6.
What's the R they're given?
Sir, 5 is not there, no, sir.
5 is not there. Correct. A comma B, they're given. B is exactly
Divisible by A.
B is exactly divisible by A. B is A comma B. We have to choose a order pair which is exactly divisible by B is exactly divisible by A. For example, here see, if we choose 2 comma 6 here now, 6 is exactly divisible by 2. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the remainder will get? 0.
0.
Understand? Like exactly divisible, whatever the numbers are there, that numbers you have to write here. Exactly divisible. Okay, shall I explain?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. First, for your understanding, I am finding all the Cartesian product. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Tell me what is the numbers will get 1 comma 1, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6, right? 2 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6. Correct or not? What I'm writing?
Yes, sir.
3 comma 1, 1 more line. 4 comma 1,
4,
4,
comma
2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 6.
plus 1.
6, comma 1,
2
6,
1,
6, comma 3, 6, comma 4, and 6, comma 6.
yes. Now we have among all these order pairs, only some order pairs will be satisfied our condition. That is a relation we have to find here now. Okay. See, I'll tell what the relations will be formed here. 1 comma 1. 1 is divisible by 1 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes. 1 comma 2. If 2 is exactly divisible by 1 or not? Say. Hello?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
2 is
sir.
divisible by 1. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now 1 comma 3.
Yes, sir.
1, 4 and 1, 6.
But 2 divides 1 will not exact divisible. If 2 and 1 if you write, will get exact divisible, will get fraction but or not?
Yes, sir. 0 point.
2 comma 1 is not possible. 2 comma 2 is possible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what about 2 comma 4?
Yes, sir.
Possible, sir.
2 comma 6 also possible.
Yes, sir.
So 3 comma 1 is
3
not
comma 3,
possible.
sir.
3 comma 2 also not possible.
3, 3, sir.
3 comma 3 is possible.
3,
3
6.
comma 6.
4 comma 2 is possible. Huh?
Yes, sir.
No,
4 comma 2.
No, sir.
2
4
divides,
comma 2.
4 divides 2.
no, sir.
4 divisible by
No,
2. No, 2 divisible by 4 is correct. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 4 comma 2 is not possible. 4 comma 4 is possible or not?
Yes, sir.
Possible.
4,
4 comma 6 also not possible.
Yes, sir.
6 comma 2 also not possible. Correct?
6 comma 6.
Yes, sir.
Only 6 comma 6 will be possible. If anyone is not understand, I'll explain again. Please look at your check it once again. Everyone understand?
Yes, sir.
Tell me
Yes,
the
sir.
domain is what are your domain?
1, 2, 3,
1,
4.
3 and
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4,
1,
6.
2, 3.
4,
4,
6.
6.
4, 6, sir.
What's the range?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
3, 4.
1, 2, 3 is there? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
6.
What's the codomain?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Very good. Codomain is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Not an all of you. Sixth question, can you able to do?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me sixth question, what's the given? X
X
comma?
comma x plus 5
Yeah.
such that x belongs to 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3.
Where they given 0 given, right? 0?
They've given, sir. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 also is given, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Substitute x is 0. 5 will get or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If x is 1 means
1, comma
6.
6.
1 comma 6 you'll get, huh? So 1 comma 6 means
sir.
it's not there, right? 1 comma 6.
Yes, sir. It is not possible.
One second, let me see that. Determine the domain and range of the relation. X belongs to. No, it's not there, but the given relation is. You can write, no problem. X is 2 means
7, sir.
3
8,
means
9, sir. 10.
so. Then what is the domain?
0, 1, 2,
0,
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What is the range?
5, 6, 7, 8,
5,
9,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
9, 10.
Yes. See, in this question, they have not mentioned anything particularly the set here now. They're given X values, that's all. Only X values are given. Understand?
Yes, sir.
They're given X
Yes,
values
sir.
directly, that X values we substituted. That's why everything you should write in the only one bracket. X is the value 0 to 5. Next, seventh question. Prime number less than
10, sir.
7.
10.
Yeah.
And 1,
Tell me less than 10 prime numbers.
1, sir.
2, 3, 5,
2, 3, 5.
2, 3,
7.
7.
That's
That's all right.
That's all, sir.
yes, sir.
These are X values. What's the relation they're given?
X comma X cube, sir.
There's a meaning 2 comma
2
2
cube,
cube.
3 comma 3 cube,
3 cube.
comma 5 cube, 7 comma 7 cube.
Uh,
2
2
comma
comma 8.
3 comma 27, 5 comma 125,
5
7.
comma 125. 7 comma 7 cube. 49 into 7. 343, yeah?
343, sir.
343.
Yes, sir.
That's the problem. Others also understand or not? Respond, please. Geetika?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Monica?
Yes, sir, understood.
I know only some students' names. I'll try to remember the name. Darshan? Rohan? Jyoti?
Yes, sir.
Do people understand?
Yes, sir.
Aditya? Lakshmi?
Yes.
Roshni?
Yes, sir, understood.
Radha? Is Radha anyone is there? No one is there, I guess. Check Geetika.
Yes, sir.
Is anyone named Radha is there?
I'm checking, sir.
No, sir.
They will join newcomer, I think. Next, eighth question.
So no one is there, sir.
Okay. We'll check tomorrow, day after tomorrow again. Someone will join.
Okay, sir.
They ask us for number of relations from set A to set B. Total number of relations defined from set A to set B. Tell me number of relations.
Number
How to find
of
number of relations?
number
2
of
power.
N
2
of
power
A into N
N
of
of
B.
A.
Very good. 2 power N of A is 3. 2 power 6. What's the value of 2 power 6? 64. Okay.
32,
64, sir.
64.
5 is 32, right?
Yes, sir.
Let none of you. Next question. Ninth one. A minus B is integer they given, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And here the given R is a relation on Z. Z means what?
Integers.
Integers. Find the domain and range. Yes, you know everyone very well about that integers. Integer means we'll get negative numbers
Positive numbers.
as well as
Positive numbers.
positive numbers. The question is, if A comma B are two integers, subtraction of two integers is again integer or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I am writing solution. A comma B. A minus B is integer. They're given. This is meaning difference between two integers. Again, an integer, correct?
Yes, sir.
If you separate it into integers, it will again be one more integer. So that's why A minus B is always an integer or not?
Yes, sir.
Always integer. A minus B is always an integer. Okay. So that's it. The domain. The domain is what you know. All the integers. Range is also all the integers. Domain and range are both integers only. FCP understand?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Finish writing all of you?
No, sir.
Finish or not?